Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is an impromptu Dollar Tree haul because I wasn't even actually going to go to the Dollar Tree and I ended up at the Dollar Tree and the Target Dollar Spot. I have two items from the Dollar Spot that I want to share with you. I actually have an Amazon item that I want to share with you, and then all of the goodies from the DT. So let's get into it. The first two items that I picked up, I feel like these items are actually really good for DIYs. So these are little ornaments, little egg ornaments, and you probably can't see them very well, but they're little egg ornaments. They have a bunch of glitter on them. I'm realizing that this one's kind of broken, I think. I don't know. I'll have to look into this. But I bought 2 packs of these because I have, well, I'm gonna be honest, my Christmas tree is still up, but it's coming down this weekend. And I have a birch, like lighted birch tree that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. It was actually one of my birthday presents. And I thought it would be kind of fun to decorate it for Easter with little Easter eggs. It's kind of Eastery. A birch tree is like white. I don't know. So we'll see how this turns out. Otherwise, I don't know what I'll do with them. Might return them. But if you're looking for stuff like this, I would hop on it now. These are great for DIYs, and this stuff is gonna go very quickly. They were almost out of these egg ornaments already. The next item I got is not that exciting, and it's also very small for the Dollar Tree, so usually I would not advise that you get this, but I needed something. Wow. Those eggs are in a bag and I have glitter everywhere, so that's alarming. But anyways, usually I go for the largest tube of toothpaste that I can find there, but I wanted one because Nick and I are going to be traveling to Chicago, and actually I'm just going to be using like a little carry-on bag, which is alarming also because I'm not necessarily a light packer, so we'll see how this goes, but I just wanted a little tube of toothpaste to bring along with. And then to go with that, I got these toothbrushes. The reason I bought them is because they came with the little like caps that go over the top of them. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. My light just like makes everything glow brightly. But it's 2 toothbrushes, both came with the brush caps, so I thought that was a really good deal. Not that exciting, but necessities. The next item I got are these coconut and rose milk facial wipes. I bought another pack of these because I think they're probably about phased out because I saw a bunch of new stuff coming out at my Dollar Tree from Bolero, so a whole different type of face wipe. And I liked this one so much that I decided to just stick with it one last time. And then the next time I feel like I'm gonna have to rip off the Band-Aid and try a different scent, but I love these. I would definitely recommend them if you see them and you just need some quick way to remove your makeup. I'm not saying it's the best way, but if you need something that's going to help you and just get everything off, pick these up. The next item I got, Nick, if you're watching this, please stop. Bye. The next item that I got is this card, and I don't know what got on the outside of this wrap, but I'm glad that there's a wrap on this. It says, "Together is my favorite place," and it's a little puppy and a kitten, and on the inside it says, "Happy Valentine's Day to lovable, snuggable you." Nick and I are getting a puppy, so I thought that this was going to be an appropriate Valentine's card for him. And then another item that I purchased are these earrings. They aren't the best deal for earrings at the Dollar Tree at the moment. They have 3 packs for $1 right now, but these are little hearts and they had silver and gold. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. Let me show you. So this is what they look like. And like I said, they have silver and gold in these. They also had feathers and like little knot ones, and then like little stud fake crystal ones. But these are more my taste, and I'll definitely wear these at any time of year, so I thought to pick them up. Same with the feathers. They were really, really cute. I almost picked those up too, but I don't need that many earrings. The next item I found is these women's deodorant wipes. I'm starting to work out more, so I think that these are going to be a little bit more useful as I'm starting to work out and maybe just need a quick freshen up, don't have time for a shower. going out to dinner, that sort of thing. So I don't know how these will smell. I don't really want to open them, so I don't know, we'll see. There's 25 wipes in the pack, and they also have like the nice, it's kind of like the Bolero packaging where they have like the nice door, and they also have like the lifting patch here. I'm not explaining that well. I worked in the packaging industry. Yikes. And then the last item that I picked up from the Dollar Tree was this hydrating hair mask, coconut and rose hip, all hair types, fruit enzymes, boost radiance, improve control. So this is another product from Bolero. I'm hoping that you can kind of see this. It says, here are 2 ways to soften and smooth your hair with a 1-minute hair mask. As a mask, after shampooing, apply onto wet hair and leave on for 1 minute. As a conditioner, after shampooing, apply to hair from root to tip, leave on for 1 minute and then rinse. How are those different? I don't think those instructions are different. But anyways, I think this is awesome. My scalp is really dry, and usually I don't put hair masks on my scalp, but this one will be going on my scalp. I don't really care if it makes my roots a little bit greasy. I need some sort of hydration because I have a lot of dandruff and it's disgusting, and I'll even use my little shower scrubber that I got from the Dollar Tree and it's not doing anything. So this was a great find. They had 2 different kinds of this too, so definitely check it out. I have one Target item that is over there. Hold on. So I was on the fence about this item because I kind of wanted to get a different one because it's that nice like seafoamy green color that I really like. But I loved the message on this board. So it says, life takes us to unexpected places. Love brings us home. So I thought this was so cute. It was actually larger than the other one that I was going to purchase too. So I thought that this was probably, I don't know, something I could hang year round or put on my little shelving unit over there. And this is only $3, so I feel like it's kind of a good deal. It's a pretty large, I mean, look at it compared to my head. Pretty large, really cute, very farmhousey, which isn't necessarily my style, but everybody's gonna love it. All the stuff that they have at the Dollar Tree or at the Dollar Spot right now is like so Valentine's farmhouse spring. So, and then the other item that I picked up from the Dollar Spot was actually this essential oil diffuser, and I think that that looks completely white. Oh, there we go. So it is this blush colored little essential oil diffuser. This works with a USB. So I'm actually going to be able to plug this in directly to my laptop for work. I almost bought this last year and then I kicked myself. I don't have a lot of regrets for not buying certain things, but this was one item last year that I wholeheartedly regretted not purchasing when I saw it. I think last year they were $7 and this year it is $8, so I think it went up $1 in price, but it is still a lot cheaper than Amazon, and even the ones that you can find on Amazon for like 10 to 15 bucks are not this cute. So I was really excited to see this at my store. They also had white, so I don't know if there's any other ones outside of the white and the pink. But I was so excited to see this because I regretted not purchasing this so much last year. So I have it home with me. And then one last item I actually wanted to bring here is something that I picked up on Amazon. It's actually a pair of earrings. So I bought a bunch of different things on Amazon, but this is one thing that I really wanted to show you guys. I think it was Anthropologie. Maybe it wasn't Anthropologie. Maybe it was Bobble Bar. Somebody came out with a variation of these earrings a while ago, and I think that they are so cute. They're like little raffia heart earrings. So I got a 2-pack. I have one in the white, and the other pair that I got in this set, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I don't really want to take it out of the packaging, but it's this really cute like purple, pink, and blue color scheme. So I don't know, I was really excited to get a 2-pack for 10 bucks. I found a comparable pair at Target and it was a lot smaller and a different shape, and then it also had like a different like look on the part that actually goes on your earlobe. I didn't really like them, to be honest, and they were 15 bucks for a single pair. So this was definitely a better deal. I think it'll be really fun actually for the Valentine's holiday. But also, I think that these are just something that I'll wear year-round, especially the white ones. I probably won't get a ton of use outside of Valentine's Day with like the pink and purple and blue ones, but the white ones are going to be a year-round staple for me. But anyways, that is everything that I wanted to show you guys. Like I said, a little bit of an impromptu video, but I hope that you enjoyed all of the items that I purchased. Let me know all the cool things that you're finding at your store. I think that there's a lot of seasonal stuff out right now that I haven't seen at my store. I think they're a little bit behind or they're already sold out. I don't know. You tell me, what is your favorite seasonal item? But that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like my videos. I do have an IKEA video in the works, so that's coming soon. But other than that, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.